Ever wondered where an iPhone begins? Every iPhone starts with carefully selected raw materials from around the world.
The journey to the factory begins. The raw materials travel thousands of miles before reaching the factory.
Welcome inside the iPhone factory. Every shipment is carefully inspected before manufacturing begins.
Everything must be perfectly clean. Even microscopic dust is removed before assembly starts. Robots sort thousands of parts every minute. Every component is sorted and inspected before entering the production line.
This machine shapes every iPhone frame. Every frame is machined with incredible precision before moving to assembly.
Now the iPhone gets its brain. Robots assemble the powerful logic board with microscopic accuracy. Every camera is aligned with laser precision. Each camera module is carefully calibrated for exceptional image quality. The iPhone finally comes together. Every major component is assembled with millimeter-perfect precision.
It's time to power on the iPhone. Each iPhone is powered on, tested, and calibrated before the final inspection.
Only flawless iPhones move forward. Every iPhone must pass strict quality standards before approval.
Can it survive the final tests? Every feature is tested to ensure reliable, everyday performance. Now it's ready for the box. Automated systems package every iPhone with speed and precision.
Thousands of iPhones are ready to ship. Smart logistics systems prepare every shipment for destinations around the world.
Your iPhone is finally on its way. After completing every stage of production, the iPhone begins its journey to customers worldwide.